Until now, no? Ngayon, rich man's enclave. But 10 to 20 years from now, a very rich man's enclave. Hi guys, Realtor Mike here. How are you? Just finished an ocular of Oaklight's property in Ayala Greenfield Estates or AG. Located at the foot of Mount Makiling in Calamba City. So it's about, I think, less than 20 kilometers away from New Valley. One of the exits, no? There are two villages that I feel that are very underrated now, no, which I feel will become very rich man's enclave in 10, 20 years. One of them is itong age, Ayala Greenfield Estates. And the other one is Anvaya. I'll make a separate video on that. Why do I find this rich man's enclave, no, in the future? Until now, no, ngayon rich man's enclave. But 10 to 20 years from now, a very rich man's enclave. Lots here go for about 500 to 1,000 square meters. They go for anywhere from 30,000 per square meter to 45,000 pesos per square meter. Why the discrepancy? Because of the elevation, the location, the orientation, nearness of the fairways, yung views, Laguna Lake, and many things, no? So I feel it's still very underpriced as of now. It's a good entry level, no? Although it's a minimum siguro 15 million and up, no? But I feel over the long term, sobrang maging rich man's enclave. Because if you own a property, you have playing rights slash, I don't know the term, no? Ownership of Ayala Greenfield Golf. 18 holes yun. So can you imagine, just inside your village, just a world-class 18 holes golf course versus, let's say, you go to Santa Elena. Santa Elena, just the share, it's 15 million to 20 million as of today, no? Ganun ang price niya. Wala pa yung lot doon. Sa Malarayat naman, the share is 2 million to 3 million without the property. Ito, when you buy the property, you have playing rights slash ownership of the golf course inside. The world-class Robert Trent, I think. So I play there, maganda siya. So tapos maganda pa yung pool niya, may tennis courts, may badminton court, I think, covered basketball court. It's a very nice, beautiful place. Underrated siya now because there are many lots available. It's still evolving. So yun muna. So just wanted to share with you that insight that I have. If you are interested, let me know. Feel free to share this video. Don't forget to click that button, the like button, and subscribe. Yeah, Realtor Mike saying, stay safe and stay in faith. God bless.